A guide to succeeding in all pathways in life. The first thing you have to do to be successful in any realm in life is to figure out what success really means to you. And what does success look like in your world? It's different for everyone. For some folks, it is making tons of money, climbing the corporate ladder, or having a big house. But for others, it could be about finding happiness, making a difference, or having strong relationships. So, take a moment, think about it, ask yourself and write down, what does success mean to me? Don't go with what everyone else is saying. Take a second to think about what you truly want in life. And sometimes, we are in a difficult position to move forward from the very position we are at. Here are a few practical things to do. Question stuff. Ask yourself if it fits with your own idea of success and if it feels right for you. Listen to different voices. Don't stick to just one viewpoint. Check out different areas, ideas, practices to get a wider picture of what success could be. Hearing different stories can help you figure out what's real for you. Look for realness. Try to find stories and people who keep it real. Look for folks who share their true experiences and values, not just the shiny or ugly part of all of it. Stay mindful. Pay attention to how you feel when you are involved in the process. If it doesn't make you feel good, or if it doesn't fit with what you want, it's okay to step back. Set some limits. Don't let all those flashy success posts take over your feed. If it's not helping you or making you feel good, it's totally cool to unfollow or take a break from social media. So yeah, keep it real. Know what success means to you, and don't get caught up in all the online hype. Action. There's no quick fix or magic pill when it comes to succeeding in anything. It's all about putting in the work and mastering your craft. You have to learn and keep improving every day. Success is a lifetime journey that requires dedication, persistence, focus, and daily effort. Mastery of your craft in any field through action and effort will lead and improve other areas of your life if the very principles are applied. This concept was well said by Miyamoto Musashi, a revered 17th century Japanese swordsman, renowned for his undefeated record in duels, author of The Book of Five Rings, a classic treatise on strategy, tactics, and philosophy. Quote, "Once you find the way, you can see it in all things." It suggests that once you've attained a deep understanding or mastery of something, you'll start to see its principles reflected in everything around you. In other words, when you truly understand a fundamental truth or principle, you'll recognize its presence and application in various aspects of life. This reflects the idea of achieving a profound level of insight and awareness through dedicated practice and understanding. Think of it like this. When you really master something, it's not just about knowing how to do it. It's about understanding the deeper principles behind it. Imagine you're really into playing basketball. At first, you're just learning the basics, dribbling, shooting, passing. But as you practice more and get better, you start to notice things you never did before. Like, you see how the angles of your shots affect whether they go in or not, or how your footwork can help you dodge defenders. Once you've got those skills down, you start seeing similar patterns in other areas of your life. Maybe it's in how you tackle challenges at school or how you approach making new friends. The general rule here is that once you've mastered something in one area, you can apply those same principles used to achieve mastery in one area to other parts of your life. It's like building a toolkit of skills and strategies that you can use no matter what you're doing. So keep practicing, keep learning, and soon enough, you'll start seeing those connections everywhere you look. The action stage is a bit more complex because it has more variables that determine your success in the pathway you chose. I am going to use the case of a gambler to explain and give practical approaches that anyone in any pathway in life can use to get better in what they are doing regardless of their position. Each game and their rules. In gambling, it's essential to understand the rules of each game to play effectively and make informed decisions. Similarly, in life, understanding the rules of different situations, whether they're social norms, cultural expectations, or professional standards, helps us navigate them successfully. Just like studying the rules of a game gives us an edge in gambling, Learning about the intricacies of various aspects of life equips us to make better choices and adapt to different circumstances. In essence, the principles of choosing to gamble and understanding each game and their rules can be applied to every human being as we navigate the uncertainties and opportunities of life, making choices and striving for success. Whether in business, sports, education, health, it is important to understand the basic rules of the pathway you are in and to keep learning and adjusting to them as situations change. Second, bankroll management. Understanding and managing your resources regardless of your field. In gambling, managing your bankroll is key to staying in the game. Similarly, in life, defining and managing your resources is the key. Regardless of the pathway one follows, there is something you have put in to get better results. Those are your resources, and time is the greatest of all. In sports, it could be time in your body. In education, it's hours of study and finances to educational material. Every pathway has its own. You have to understand the rules of how to allocate your resources according to your field in life. Your finances, setting budgets, debt management are all examples of bankroll management that apply beyond the casino. This principle should be applied in any pathway one chooses to follow. Practically, you can write down all resources that are used in your field. Weigh and allocate your action proportionate to your desired outcome. Third, probability and odds, taking risk. Gambling involves making a decision to take risks for potential rewards. Life often presents us with choices where we have to weigh risks and rewards. Whether it's deciding to pursue a new opportunity, start a business, or even embark on a new relationship, we're essentially gambling on the outcome, hoping for success while acknowledging the possibility of failure. Think of life like a big old wager. You put in the work, the effort, make sacrifices, all in hopes of getting something back, right? It's like betting on yourself, betting that all that hustle and grind will pay off in the end. And here's the thing, just like in gambling, there's this law of action and reaction at play. You put in the effort, you take action, and then bam, you start seeing results, reactions to all that hard work you've been putting in. It's like planting seeds and watching them grow. That's the deal with waging in life. Understanding probability and odds is fundamental in gambling, helping players make informed choices. This concept translates to real-life situations where assessing probabilities can inform decisions. For example, considering the likelihood of different outcomes when planning for the future or evaluating risks in various scenarios. Before making any big decision, whether it's starting a business, investing money, or even choosing a career path, it's important to weigh the potential risks and rewards based on data analysis presented to you at the time. This will form the base of your decision-making process to influence a desired outcome. Fourth, networking, teams, mentorship. Success in any field is not only about putting in the work. Imagine playing a game of poker. Sure, you need to have some skills at the table, but there's more to it than just that. Networking is like having a good hand of cards. You need to meet the right people, make connections, that opens up new opportunities. Then there's having the right product or idea, which is like having the winning card combo. It sets you up for success. And let's not forget about having the right team by your side. They're like your poker buddies, supporting you and helping you win big. There's always that element of luck, that perfect moment when everything falls into place, just like hitting the jackpot. So yeah, like playing a hand of poker, it takes skills, strategy, luck, and having the right people and opportunities on your side. Fifth, the storm, when things go wrong. There is a famous quote by the legendary boxer Iron Mike Tyson, the baddest man on the planet, who said, "Everybody has a plan until they are punched in the mouth." Absolutely. In life, just like in gambling, there are times when we lose our bets, right? Things don't go as planned, or we face setbacks along the way. When that happens, we got to take a step back, reassess the situation, and decide our next move. Sometimes it means doubling down and keep on grinding, sticking to our strategies, and pushing through the challenges. But other times, it might be necessary to change the game entirely, try a different approach, or pursue new opportunities. It's all about being adaptable, learning from our losses, and being willing to pivot when needed. That's how we keep moving forward in the game of life. In gambling, emotions can cloud judgment and lead to poor decisions. Learning to control emotions like excitement, frustration, or fear is essential for success. This skill is equally important in various life situations, such as navigating relationships, handling stress at work, or making important decisions under pressure. Sixth, adaptability when times change. In gambling, successful players adapt their strategies based on changing circumstances and information. This adaptability is a valuable skill in life that allows you to navigate unexpected challenges, learn from failures, and adjust your approach to achieve your goals. So, whether you're at the poker table or facing life's challenges, these principles from gambling can provide valuable insights and strategies for success. Life is definitely short, and it can feel overwhelming trying to learn everything, right? However, you don't have to learn everything all at once. Just focus on what matters most to you, what's going to help you reach your goals and make you happy. It's like when you're playing a game, you don't need to know every rule to start playing. You will learn as you go, pick up the skills and knowledge you need along the way. So, take it one step at a time, prioritize what is important, and keep moving forward. That's how you make the most of the time you have in this life. A quick reminder, success is not a one-size-fits-all deal. It's about learning as you go, making smart moves, and using your resources wisely. Keep working, keep learning, and keep chasing your dreams. In summary, you need to keep learning and evolving, adapting your strategies and approaches based on new insights and experiences. Reflecting on the idea of finding the way and seeing it in different contexts, always seeking to improve and grow. You need to make informed decisions by assessing risks, analyzing data, and considering various perspectives. You should apply it in different situations, recognize patterns, and make strategic choices. Efficiently allocate resources, time, energy, and resources to maximize productivity and achieve desired outcomes. This reflects the concept of seeing the principles of success manifest in all aspects of life, from managing projects to personal growth and development. These three general rules encapsulate the essence of finding the way and applying it in various contexts, allowing you to navigate different situations with clarity and purpose.